frame is. And I can actually pull back slightly. All right. Whenever you're ready.
Sure.
It's rolling.
Okay. Hi, I'm Cheryl Martin, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of my acting experiences. So I started off going to Nassau Community College, and I ended up doing some stage work there. And I had the opportunity to do a really cool, my actually first stage performance, I must say, was called The Ball Soprano, where I played this crazy maid. Her name was Mary, and it just so happens that somebody that I went to high school with, I had a crush on him. He happened to play the hot firefighter that not only was it my first stage performance, I had to have like a sloppy hot makeout session with him. So it was kind of like fun, but not fun. I mean, I was like the nut maid. Like it was like first thing, like the beginning of like my acting classes and learning like what it's like to be on stage and actually perform, other than my dance background, which was fine, and I danced and it was good. But I really just wanted to straightforward act. I ended up doing this stage performance, and I mean, I was just out there. It was embarrassing. My friends came to see me, and it was like no wall. Like there was nothing stopping me. It was literally live right there. Reactions. You hear their laughs. You hear their comments. You're like, oh no, is this really happening? And I'm getting up on tables and dancing and shouting and like literally just throwing myself at him. Yeah, nothing ever happened because I just found out that after a while he just didn't like women. So I really had no chance in hell of ever kind of pursuing that. But hey, it was a really cool makeout session on stage. My role first, and I think, well, no, I did some other stage performances, but they were for showcases. So I kind of went on to New York City to take some classes, and I had a chance to do some Actors Override showcases. And they were pretty cool. We performed at the Producer Club Theater in Manhattan. Nothing really happened with that. But again, I had to make out with some guy. But this time, not so cute. And it's not fun when you're performing and you really have to like make out with someone that's not attractive. But you kind of get over it and you just learn to like kind of put the cute face on and see within the eyes. So I really wanted to do more TV and film work. So I started to kind of push myself to any student films I could get myself in. One random film that I was like really excited, and I guess it was one of the auditions that I went for. If you remember back, there was a show called Buffy the Vampire Slayer, and so it was like this vampire nerd girl, probably like early 90s. So first college student film, which they lost the footage. I'm like, way to go there, people, way to go. So I had to go to this field, and I had to dress up in like all black, and I had to wear like these really dorky glasses, and there was this guy literally in like a Halloween costume that you'd get from Party City, dressed up as Mr. Potato Head, okay? Bizarre. And then like these other people were just dressed in these other strange costumes, which I don't really know what they were, but here we are just running around, and I'm jumping, and I'm using like one of those like little like wood like Slayer things, trying to get some vampire, but I think Mr. Potato Head was the vampire. The most bizarre thing that I had ever done, and that was like when I was like, yes, I want to do TV and film work. The other thing, what did I do? Let's see. I did this other film called, what was it? Five Houses. And it was, I played this like sorority girl that was just messed up in the head and nothing was going right. And we had to shoot at this local house near Hofstra. And it was like disgusting. There was like 10 or 11 guys, and I had to like kill myself in a bathtub, and these guys, it was just gross, did not have like the decency to like clean like the bathroom. Like I was like literally wanting like to do like the like vomit and like the mouth thing, like really like, and you could tell like it was just so awkward. But I look back at it and I'm like, really, it was disgusting. Like but hey, I wanted to perform, I wanted to do this, this is what I did. It was just not pleasant, but it was fun. It was a cool film in the end. I did some other films called Mob Wars, a little YouTube skit video. That was pretty cool. It was for a contest that they've done. Just trying to do like little projects here and there, mostly little showcases. one of the most fun things that I've done, I had a dinner theater group that I got to travel with, and that was actually quite fun. I got to have the role. I always wanted to play like a Jennifer Aniston character, so I ended up getting to do, we did Friends, which was, God, what was it? Murder Amongst Friends, that's what our spoof was. And so I got to play the character of Rachel, and it was really kind of fun. We traveled all over Long Island and performed at several different restaurants. And then again, I did have to, well, hopefully you won't see this, but I had to make out with another unattractive guy. But it's okay, he didn't like women either. So I've been shit out of luck. Oops, I just cursed. I should say shenanigans. I've been out of luck with my men situation on-screen things. But again, another thing, I'm always I'm always making out with someone. Like, they always cast me as the makeout girl. I did Fred Carpenter, an extra scene for him in Jessie. And that was like last year, 2010. And I basically ended up meeting this actor, Chris Dunn, and he was a very good looking guy. And we hit it off, and we were just being like a pool couple. And again, for like 5 or 6 hours, that's all we did, was we made out on screen. And then I did this other video, and I'm getting myself in trouble with the main actress, flirting with the main guy. Poor guy gets water thrown in his face because he's flirting with me, but that was his own fault, I guess, you know, in the scene. So I keep getting these roles. It's really kind of fun, but I keep getting to be like the troublemaker girl. I don't know, I want to do something that's like outrageous and different. I like scary movies. My ideal role would actually, if I had a chance, would be to be in a horror film. I want to be like that girl that's like running down like in the woods or going in the basement, and you're just like, really? Why are you going there? You know the door is the other way. Like, really? Or like, I don't know, just like the craziness that happens, and just really attack the villain or whoever's coming after me, whatever kind of envision is there. But I've had some really interesting experiences. I'm still starting out. I'm still trying to get myself up there. I'd love to do commercials. That'd be like kind of fun to do. But I'm just really just working my way up and kind of working on my craft. So hopefully I could be on a screen near you.